The TISSCARE Shiatsu Foot Massager delivers a surprisingly close-to-human massage with multiple rollers and nodes that work the soles and arches in a very thorough way. Several intensity options and an adjustable timer let you fine-tune each session, whether you want a gentle daily unwind or a deeper kneading after standing all day. A clever tilting support bar allows you to angle the unit for feet, ankles, or even calves, and the integrated handle makes it practical to move between rooms or take to the office. The heating function offers both mild and stronger warmth, which noticeably boosts circulation comfort and is especially welcome for cold feet or plantar fasciitis flare-ups. Operation is straightforward thanks to the included remote control, and the removable, zip-off fabric liners make it easy to keep the footwells clean and fresh over time. Between its safety certifications, responsive customer support, and versatile design that suits a wide range of foot sizes, it feels like a well-thought-out gift for anyone who needs regular foot relief.